Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. This part of this video is going to be about the news, explosive news, a major news that we're going to be talking about in this short little episode. So stay tuned, watch all the way to the end because it's really cool, and leave a comment, hit the like button if you like it, and we're going to continue this format if you guys really like it, where I split it up, and instead of doing a whole 30 minutes, both with the TA and the news, we're going to split them both up from now on. All right, so just so you know, if I make any suggestions of buying Bitcoin or buying any asset, this is all not financial advice, and you need to do your own due diligence before you put your money into market. All right, that said, let's start off with our first news of the day, which is the Dutch central bank lost a court case against Bitonic, resulting in Dutch Bitcoin exchange no longer needing to verify wallet address. Yes, excellent. This KYC nonsense, man. It's like, come on, get real, right? You're just trying to destroy a good thing, and we all know that. You all know what you playing at, right? You central bankers, and you couldn't do it. You couldn't. You tried, and you failed. Well, I'm sure somebody at the central bank is saying, okay, so let's print off some money and make sure that judge doesn't work again. Unfortunately, that's the situation, right? When you have access to print money, right, then you could do whatever you want, right? So our history is filled with the bankers actually killing presidents or attempting to murder our presidents, United States presidents, throughout history. So if you do some research, you'll find that it was always the bankers behind every single assassination, presidential assassination. So don't be surprised that judge, doesn't have Jeffrey Epstein. Alrighty, moving on. Right, asset manager One River files for carbon neutral Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. Okay, this is all a narrative being fed down your throat. These people are getting paid to build this and then advertise it by either a large corporation wants to buy Bitcoins and push the narrative, hey, this is what you should wait for. Don't buy Bitcoins right now. You shouldn't buy it because you need to make sure it's clean. These guys are going to make sure it's clean. Just wait, give them some time to put the ETF together, right, so that you can buy your clean Bitcoins, right? That's what they're trying to do. They all started with the Kevin O'Leary nonsense, and then they expanded. Now the media is a complete system designed to give you a false narrative of reality. Right? The reality of Bitcoin's clean nature, right, is that it is cleaner, and you can check out this article here. It is way cleaner than anything else that you could buy, your Tesla cars, or if you use their financial system, your banking system is more dirtier than Bitcoin. So because they use more fossil fuels than Bitcoin, and so I don't like it when the world tells you one particular narrative, right? And I know there is a current narrative, right, that that's incorrect. We can't say much about it, right? Except we all know it's called the Rona. Because see how they control us, right? I can't even say the name, right? That's how bad it is. That's how badly controlled you are, right? So, consider that's what's going to happen. Now, unfortunately, right, this is how you have to look at the reality, right? If you are looking at this and go, yeah, I agree, right? You're the minority. Understand that you are a very tiny minority. The majority will go, what are you talking about, man? This is truth. Well, they're speaking truth. This is real. I don't know what you're talking about. Right? They're just that's how they are, right? And so you have to accept that. You're going to have to accept that people are going to be, the majority is going to believe the narrative that the media tells them is true. And I used to be one of them. I used to believe, like, why would they lie? Oh my God. It's like, it's not profitable to lie to you. If it was profitable, if they say, you know what, and if they say anything like, oh, drink Red Bull and you'll be 500 IQ smarter, right? And if they could legally do that, they would. Okay. Okay. But since they legally can't do that, they don't. However, they can do certain things that are legal, and which is say, oh, Bitcoin, you know, it's very dirty, right? It's like, 40% of the usage, right, or less than that, probably, I think, is used by coal. So you want to, like, get your own new. So it's like a lie. It's a truth with a little bit of lie into it, right? So they keep you believing a false narrative. So that's how they can get away with the covered up lie. The lie that's kind of like, well, it's kind of true, so I guess it is. All of it they're telling me is true. Anyways, let me close off with, wow, me blowing up on the internet. Oh my God. Explosive, right? I can't believe it. It started with this dude's posting his W's, and I'm like, oh, that's cool, that's nice, right? And like, they had like 400,000 likes, right, on their Twitter page. It was nice, it was cool. And then all of a sudden, another article, right, another tweet. I mean, actually, this was Instagram, right? Oh my goodness. And then another one right here. Oh, this was the Lad Bible. Oh my God, you should read this article. It's just awesome. I'm impressed. I can't believe it. And you know what? I have to thank a special woman out there. I'm not gonna mention names, right? What their significance is, but if you watch my video, you know who she is. See me every day, subscribers and so forth. Remember, if you're a subscriber, there's a chance for you to win 1 Bitcoin. On my birthday, I'm gonna be giving away 1 Bitcoin to some lucky subscriber. So make sure you do subscribe and like my videos from here on in, or else you're not gonna get a chance to win. All right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.